Okay, I'm going to make this one a little bit shorter than yesterday's because I got stuff I got to do later on. So for this one, I don't feel like making a long trip to Best Buy just for these scammer guys. So I'm just going to keep them in the explaining to me why I'm being sued phase for as long as possible. I'm going to shoot for about 15-20 minutes before I have to disconnect the call. I know that it's not a very long one, but I don't have a lot of time today. Let's see if this is even a good number, first of all. I've been trying a lot of them today and they keep getting disconnected.
Investigation Department of the Internal Revenue Service. My name is Ryan Marsh. May I help you?
I'm sorry, what did you say your name was, sir?
I said I'm calling you from the Investigation Department of the Internal Revenue Service, and my name is Ryan Marsh. May I help you?
It's Ryan, Mr. Marshall. I got a voicemail, something about an arrest warrant.
Can I know your first and your last name, first of all?
My first name is Frank, F-R-A-N-K.
The voice is breaking up.
I'm sorry, my first name is Frank, F-R-A-N-K.
Got it. And your last name?
Delano, D-E-L-A-N-O.
Delano, right?
Yes.
Just a second, let me check.
Thank you.
So, Mr. Frank, are you from Montana?
Yes, I am, sir.
From Billings, right?
Yes.
Okay. So can you grab a pen and a piece of paper?
A piece of paper? Yeah, okay, I got one.
Let me check with you just a second. Okay. My name is Ryan Marsh with batch ID 739182. Got it?
739180?
82.
Oh, okay.
Your case file number is I as in Indiana, R as in Robert, M as in Mary, 2791. IRM 2791. That's a case file number. And
Okay.
I'm calling you from the Investigation Department of the Internal Revenue Service.
Okay.
So before I proceed further, I would like to notify you that these lines are federally recorded and monitored by the IRS, Sheriff's Department, Immigration Department, the Homeland Security, and the local authorities of your state. So please do not interrupt me while I'm reading the A4 affidavit, which is on your name, and I will answer all your questions once I'm done reading it, okay?
Okay.
So the reason of my call is to inform you that we found some serious allegations on your tax filing. What happened is that we have done a random audit on your tax filing for the years of 2011 to 2015, and we found some miscalculations on your tax filing. So, before I start giving you information about the miscalculations, I just need to ask you a question. Who filed the tax from 2011 to 2015? Are you the one who's responsible for filing your own tax, or you have a tax preparer?
These are U.S. taxes for those years, right?
Do you file your tax by your own from 2011 to 2015, or you have a tax preparer?
I file my own taxes.
You file your own tax by your own, right? You
Yes,
don't
sir.
have any accountant, you don't have any tax preparers, correct?
No.
Okay. So let me tell you, when I say that we have found some miscalculations in your tax filing, it is in the sense that you have paid the taxes on time, okay? We are not denying you that you haven't paid the tax. Yes, you have paid the taxes on time, but the amount that you have paid in tax to the federal government of the United States of America was not within an appropriate amount. The taxes were not paid with correct amount for those years. I need to say that the amount that you have paid as in tax to the federal government of the United States was not correct. That's the reason there is a lawsuit filed against you by the IRS. The IRS has discovered strong evidence that you have failed to declare your actual income, which was higher than what it was mentioned, and you have been wrongly benefited from deductions for which you are not eligible for. And this was not the result of any innocent negligence. Rather, we have a reason to believe that it was a willful act done with an intent to defraud the IRS. As I told you that there is a lawsuit filed against you by the IRS, and regarding the lawsuit, let me tell you, we have sent you a legal notice at the month of June, 11 June of 2016, through the United States Postal Service to your address, but we haven't received any feedback from you. That's the reason there are 4 serious allocations pressing the name. So may I know the reason why haven't we received any feedback from your side?
I've never received any of these notices did you send them, or who sent them?
We have sent it to the United States Postal Service. Let me provide you the tracking number. Would you like to jot it down?
Yes, yes, please.
It is up to 22 digits, okay?
Okay.
So 2415
2415
67, that's right, 2415 6791
Okay.
8271
Okay.
4918
Okay.
339 5749. I'll repeat it once again, okay?
Okay.
That is 2415 6791 8271 4918 395749. Got it?
Yes, I have it.
That's the United States Postal Service tracking number for which we have sent you at the address of yours. And let me tell you, sir, since right now your case is in the mode of execution, I mean to say that it is in the last stage. We can't send you any emails, letter, or fax as if now. What I can do is, right, I can read out the notice for you so that you can have a better idea about it. So can I go ahead and read it out for you?
So so you're going to read to me the charges against me, basically?
The notice which is on your name.
Okay, go ahead.
So as I've told you that the IRS has done an audit on your tax filing between the years of 2011 to 2015, and the audit department has done an audit on your tax filing, and they found out that the tax vote, the miscalculation amount is $3,786.94, okay? $3,786.94. This is the miscalculation amount, and the audit department have discovered strong evidence that this was not a result of any notice of negligence, and rather they have a reason to believe that it was a willful act done with an intent to defraud the IRS from your side. And on the basis of the tax evasion, IRS has proclaimed and pressed for serious allegations against your name according to the federal legislation, Section 38, Column 79. The 4 serious allegations which are pressed on your name is first, violation of federal tax regulation, that is 138. Second is violation of Internal Revenue Code, that is 262. Third allegation is theft by deception, that is B87. And the last allegation is willful misrepresentation of information to the government organization, that is B92. So, now at this point of time, we have decided to forcefully recollect this amount from you by involving the Internal Revenue Code, which is 63318 against you. So I'm going to explain it to you under the code of 63318, how it works, which means that IRS can mark a lien on your assets and all your known bank accounts will be frozen and confiscated. And if you have an existing payment plan with the IRS, then it will be terminated under the Section 30 AFIR code, and your passport will be seized along to state ID. In the moment we disconnect this call, your state ID, federal ID, your driving license, your passport, your social security number, and your bank accounts will be suspended for the next 5 years. And right now, as I've told you that your case is in third delinquency bucket, which means your case is on verge of execution. Today, within the next couple of hours, your case will be downloaded into the courthouse, and the federal sheriff department will generate a warrant ID in your name and send the police officers to arrest you for defrauding the IRS. And once you are getting arrested, after that, within the next 24 working hours, you will be taken inside a courthouse where you need to pay the miscalculation amount, which is $3,786.94 along with the penalty. And if you fail to pay those amounts inside a courthouse, then you will be into the custody for the next 6 months of time as per the subsidiary law, Chapter 98, under Section 4 for defrauding the economy of the federal government of the United States. And today is the last resolvement day of yours, so we don't want you to get into trouble, because as we have checked your own records and we found out that you are a genuine taxpayer, that's why we are calling you to know your intention, whether you want to resolve this matter or not. I'm recording your statement on this recorded line. You will have to give me your statement before I sign these documents and forward this file to the legal department. Do you have any fair intention to resolve this matter outside the courthouse with the IRS, or you want to fight this case inside the courthouse by hiring any criminal attorney? The call is yours. What do you want to do?
So you're saying $3,786.94, are you saying that if I don't pay that today, I could go to jail for 6 months?
It's not like 6 months. You'll be arrested, and you'll be inside a courthouse where you have to pay $3,786.94 inside a courthouse, along with the penalty, and the penalty charges will be more than $10,000 because it's been like 1 year. We have been sending the legal notice to your address. That's the reason there are 4 serious allegations pressed on your name. That's why the audit department has sent your case to the investigating department. That is us. That's what we're calling you today, to know your intention, whether you want to resolve this matter outside the courthouse with the IRS or you want to fight this case inside the courthouse by hiring a criminal attorney. The call is yours. Whatever you want to do, you can do, sir.
So the penalties are over $10,000?
It might be. I'm not telling you that it is $10,000. Might be.
Might be $10,000.
So do you want to resolve this matter outside the courthouse with the IRS, or you want to fight this case inside the courthouse by hiring a criminal attorney? What do you want to do?
I mean, if you said I can resolve, how can I resolve it outside of the courthouse?
If you want to resolve this matter outside the courthouse, before I give you the resolvement option and transfer my call to my senior officer who's handling your case, I need to ask you 2 questions, and you have to answer me honestly, because this recording line, whatever you were saying to me right now, this recording line will be presented in front of the jury members tomorrow. So, let me ask you the first question. Was it done intentionally from your side to defraud the IRS?
Well, obviously, no, of course not.
And my second question is, are you been arrested before for money laundering case?
Have I been arrested before for money laundering? No.
So, as you told me 2 answers correctly, so what I'm going to do is, like right now, I'm going to transfer the call to my senior officer who's handling a case. And as you told me that you want to resolve this matter outside the courthouse with the IRS, he's going to explain you how to resolve the matter outside the courthouse. Okay? Can I do that?
Well, you said that they sent me messages in the mail about, or they said you all tried to contact me by mail. Can you tell me what address they sent those messages to? Because I can't understand why I wouldn't have gotten them.
Okay, just a second. Let me check. Okay, so can I help you with the zip code? Just to make it quicker.
The zip code?
Are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Yes.
You want my zip code?
Yes.
It's 59101.
Okay, just a second. Let me check. 5910.
All right, thank you.
Your name is Villano, right? Vellano. V as in Victor, E as in Edward, Llano.
Just one L.
Okay.
Well, I guess when they couldn't find my phone number, when they couldn't find my address, I decided it was time to end the call. I can't believe that they haven't had to deal with that problem before, or maybe they just look it up based on the phone number for the real victims, give them their real phone number so they can look up their information. But I made my target of it was right at 16 minutes, so I had another way I wanted to end the call, but that one was good enough. I'm unable to find my address, so I'll call it a day for this one. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe or give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, or leave a comment letting me know how you feel about these. I enjoy doing them. I'm getting less nervous doing them. So have a good day.